Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best professional dog clippers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oneisall Professional Rechargeable Dog Hair Clippers. Man's best friend deserves the best, and that's what Oneisall provides you in the form of its electric dog clipper. This clipper is powered by electricity and has a cordless design. That means you don't have to get yourself or your pet tangled with cords. It has a large lithium battery that powers it for long-duration use. Even if you run out of battery, you can use the clipper while charging it. Cutting performance is superb with this clipper. You get stainless steel and ceramic blades that are sharp enough to cut the thick fur on your pets without harming them. Moreover, you can also detach and switch the blades for the best performance. You can also cut your dog's fur to precise length with the help of the guard combs. Lastly, you get a set of 4 combs and the shortest one gives you fur length of 3 mm. On the other hand, the longest one gives you fur length of 12 mm. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wahl Lithium Ion Pro Electric Cordless Dog Clippers, Dog and Cat Grooming Kit for small and large breeds. Wahl has brought to you a brilliant rechargeable dog clipper that is used on dogs, cats and other furry pets you have at your home. Unlike other clippers, this one comes with the convenience of a cordless design. And the dense battery gives you a runtime of 2 hours with every single charge. No need to stress out your pets with loud clippers that match their sound output with vibration levels. This one does a pretty neat job of cutting fur without the theatrics. You don't need to worry about maintaining the sharpness of the blade either. It has self-sharpening technology that eliminates hassles of maintenance. At number 3, we have the Ceenwes low-noise cordless dog clippers, professional dog hair trimmer with scissors. In this cordless dog clipper set, you get plenty of additional tools apart from the clipper. You get a stainless steel comb and scissors. As a result, it lets you trim down long hairy pets before you can put the clipper to use. For adjusting hair length, you can attach one of the required clipper combs. Surprisingly, it comes in the set and chooses from 3 mm to 12 mm hair length. The motor in this blade is also very powerful but quiet enough to keep you and your pet stress-free. You can use this for grooming your pet and it will serve you for a stretch of 70 minutes. At number 2, we have the Oneisall Quiet Rechargeable Cordless Pet Grooming Hair Clippers set for small and large dogs. Another fabulous product from Oneisall that lets you take care of a major part of your pet's grooming routine. It comes with 6 different clipper combs that guide the fur towards the blades. Therefore, lets you cut fur according to your desired length. The battery on this clipper is also a powerful one. Thus, can charge up to full capacity within 3 hours to give you a runtime of 5 hours or less. As a matter of fact, you can also switch between lower and higher speeds. The battery certainly has a capacity of 2000 mAh and will not create any noise while functioning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Wahl Easy Pro Dog Grooming Kit. A quiet, efficient and reliable dog clipper that fulfills every pet owner's need. This pet clipper from Wahl is a marvel in its own, and tools and accessories that come with it. Therefore, makes it a full grooming package worth every penny you spend on it. The clipper is equipped with high-precision carbon blades. Hence, sharpen themselves as they rub against each other and lets you cut stubborn fur with ease. It has a sleek design and is certainly of the highest quality materials. Finally, it even works well on the largest breeds and functions well on double coats as well. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.